How to fix Instagram login problem in less than 1 minute. Yes guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem or this issue in less than 50 seconds, not even 1 minute. So first thing, open the settings of your phone, go to the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find the Instagram and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to the app informations page. Now click on this force stop and go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and after that go back, click on the data usage, and then make sure that all those options here are turned on. Now go back to the home page, open the Play Store, and you have to search for Instagram and make sure to update it into the latest version. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the end.